We are currently, as we mentioned, and we witnessed the demonstration. In less than 2 minutes, we had all the logs, actually I think in seconds, we had all the logs captured, the diameters, the breadth and what, and the calculation in minutes captured. This is an exercise that would have taken men and women several weeks, actually, if not months, to do that.
What you are doing here is so important because humankind needs wood and our woods need to be managed. And therefore we will continue cutting the trees, but we must be honest and transparent about it. Not only efficient, but also honest and transparent. Because if you have your logs and you make a photo of them and they are in the cloud, all the information about the quality of the wood, etc., then it's not only easy, but it's transparent. And this is something which we also need in our wood management.